In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again and click on biometrics. Now tap on face recognition at the top and enter your current login method. Finally, after clicking on continue, keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions and wait for 100% mark. Now you can adjust all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!